Y'all ready to do some baking today? Let's go. This is the station we're working with. Obviously it's very dirty. I've already made a dozen cookies today. I'm currently making the pretzels. I'll show you when they come out. And I'm making some pumpkin bread. So that's what we're gonna do here today. It's not the vegan version, it's the good old tons of egg version. I also have these baking cups that I'm going to use. I'm gonna try to half the recipe and then see if I'll put the half the canned pumpkin either in the fridge or see if I can freeze it and use it at a later date, because this yields a lot. It yields 2 large loaf pans if you are familiar with baking with loaf pans, but this is my pumpkin bread recipe, so I regret sharing it so long because some people wouldn't get it from me. So I'm just gonna go grab the ingredients and then we're gonna get started in the mixer. So first we're doing is we're combining sugar, oil, and eggs. So we have 1.5 cups of sugar. This is the half cup, so 3 of these. Okay, so we have 1.5 cups of sugar. Oil is a cup, so we'll be using a half cup. Very hard to open the oil. Definitely have to be washing all of this stuff. Okay, and eggs. So the full recipe takes 4. Oh, we have to check on the pretzels. Please hold. So we need 2 eggs. Now we move back to the pretzels. So let me see. You get me. No, I'll keep it here so you can't see me. Typically use butter, but I'm going to use oil as it's being transported. Get one of these brushes so you can dip in your oil. Half of these are going to be salted, half of them are going to be cinnamon sugar, so you're going to need to split them, but everything is going to go oil. The pretzels I am taking, well, I'm going to do a wash and then I'm going to take a little break because I'm disabled and my legs are hurting very badly. So hot because the oven's been on for hours. All right, now that it's all oiled up, put the oil to the side. So they're all glistening, as you can see. I'm gonna do the cinnamon sugar first. So this is 10, it's 12. So I'll go ahead and split it that way. And for the cinnamon sugar, I just literally mixed the cinnamon and sugar together. I did it at about a 3-to-1 ratio of cinnamon sugar. and a little bit leftovers. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and dump the rest of that. Not worth keeping. Rinse my hand off. The oil needs to be somewhere. Alright, now is the salt. Salt. This big industrial jar. So that's too much. But same thing. Sprinkle. Typically this is where you'd like kosher salt. Big old chunkety chunks. I don't have any of that right now, so let's use iodized salt. It works the same. That's how you salt the pretzels. Let's see if I can get the salt back in here. This is gonna smell. Mostly. Alright, so we're gonna do a wash, and I will come back. Oh, there is salt everywhere. I will come back and we are going to be making cupcakes and chocolate chip cookies along with some frosting. I'm gonna have to go run out and buy a couple things to get the stuff for frosting, but yeah, stay tuned. So the dough is too flaky, so I'm going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes and then we'll see if that makes a difference. And then I guess, I don't know, I need to edit the bake with me, so I guess I'll try to start doing that first and try to work on both things at once. So we'll see what we can do. I'm gonna have to clean this up though because I've run out of counter space. But then I tried to roll them and get my little cookie cutters, but they were too flaky, so it kept falling apart. So hopefully I can put it in the fridge and it'll be easier to roll out in 30 minutes.